Hello everybody, this is my first video from Asheville, North Carolina. I have moved here about a week ago. The movers are still not here, so we're using this time to go explore the area. So today I am going to do a review of a tent. I was sent to me by OM Community VIP, which is the outdoor master community on Instagram, and I'm very excited because I've been meaning to do this review for a long time, and today is the day. So have Danny with me, little man. We're gonna get this done. So I'll show you guys where we're going to park, likely Blue Ridge Parkway. So I'll show you guys the trail, then I'll show you guys how to set up the tent, and then the finished product. See you guys soon. Okay, we were going to do the video right there, but I see cars, and you know, I don't like doing reviews with people around. So we're gonna check out another spot. Can't believe they took our spot. Okay, everybody, we made it to our spot. Let me show you around. There's a little bit of trash here, which is kind of sad, but there it is. We're gonna set it up here. We'll see how it goes. It's a little loud too. Maybe we'll go a little bit further that way so that we don't listen to the cars.
But we gonna lost our car though.
No, honey, our car is gonna stay there.
Why?
Nobody's gonna take it.
Well, we're gonna lose it if we can't see it anymore.
You think?
Yeah.
We're sleeping here tonight. We don't have furniture at home. That's pretty cool.
Now I'm making the tent.
Okay, let's build it. Ready?
That broke.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh. Quick, hold on, there's a... Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like I pulled out a tree out of here.
Yeah. Oh, now it zips up.
That's damn cool.
Yeah.
I would sleep here. Oh, Jack, get in. Oh. Okay, now the best part. You guys stay there, okay?
Looks like there's Velcro up top.
Nobody needs Velcro. Have them. And that's it. Hey, I kind of like it actually.
I like it a lot.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
What are the pockets? Oh, it has windows.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's show that. How long did that take to build? Nothing. 2 seconds. Let's see if we can see the windows. See? This is...
No, Mom.
Try to hook it here, honey. See the little hook?
Yeah.
Let's see. Show everybody how to do the windows. And it kind of has this space where you can, it's an extension of the tent, you know?
Yeah. If you want to leave it open.
Yeah, so you can still hang out here.
Oh, cool. got a little hook for your light.
Oh. That's kind of cool. Oh, look, and then here you can actually roll it. So you can roll the window. I mean, look.
Mom, how do you connect to this?
Oh, at the top, but that's okay. Look, let me show you how to roll this.
Cool.
It's really neat.
That was so easy too.
That's amazing.
Well, Mom, let me put this in.
Let's see, how about we do the assembly? Oh. Kind of messed up the camera a little bit. We're gonna disassemble it now. Let's see how long it takes.
Can I disassemble it?
Yeah, come on.
And then here's the stakes.
Ta-da! Everybody jump. Go jump. Go jump, Daddy. Okay guys, this is about the time where the mosquitoes are coming out, so we're heading home. But thoughts on the tent. It was incredibly fast to the point that I'm not even sure if I'm going to have to speed up the video just because it was so quick. Then we definitely want to use it. There's a lot of space in there. I think that all that you would need is a good set of sleeping bags. It's incredibly spacious, easy to set up. The material, the quality sounds or seems like it's really cool. I love the color because it's blue and it is very compact, so you can carry it with you. It's very lightweight. So if you want to check them out, I will put the links in the description of this video, and I will see you guys soon in another knife review, outdoor review, EDC gear, whatever these days. Say bye, Danny. Say bye.